welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Pupunta kami sa Mount Bruce dito sa New Zealand. Ayan. Meron kasi kami homestay. Ayan. Hi! Minori! She is from Japan. She's a teacher in Japan. They stayed here in New Zealand for a month to study. Ayan. So you are in my vlog, in my YouTube channel, YouTube vlog. Say hi to my vlog. So ipapasyal namin siya, guys. She wants to see the kiwi bird, the bird who cannot fly. I don't know, who has only 2 feet and cannot fly and stay in the dark. So she wants to see that bird. So that's why we're going to Mount Bruce. Ipapasyal na rin namin siya at the same time. Yeah, we're taking her there. Ako rin, me too. I want to see the bird too. Gusto ko rin mamasyal. So, stay tuned, guys. Papakita ko rin sa inyo ang ibon na hindi lumilipad, na takot sa araw. Nag-stay lang siya sa dilim talaga. So, ayun. Don't go! Stay tuned. Ikatahuna. Ayan ang kiwi bird.
We've been here before. Remember?
Yeah.
Where was it? We stopped here. There was that.
Oh yeah, I remember we've been here.
With,
yeah, I remember this place.
Is this right?
Yeah.
We've been here, see?
Yeah, I remember. We have photos here. Kiwi. Kiwi.
Is this the right track?
We should stop there one time, running so that she can take a photo.
Is this the right road?
Yep, this is the right
We've been
road.
here before. We stopped there.
Yeah, I remember. We've been here before. That's long time ago. Yeah. Share ko lang, guys. Share ko lang, guys. Ang ganda ng view. Ayan, oh. Mga hills. Amazing. Ayan pa, oh. Ayan, ganda. Oh, beautiful view. Hi, Minori. Nice view, eh? When you go back to Tokyo, you will not see this anymore. You will only see all the buildings in your country. Hi. So enjoy the view. Ayan pa, oh. Mga hills. Yan. Hills. Ganda. Nag-enjoy lang ako, guys, sa magandang tanawin. It's so relaxing. So relaxing to see. Ayan. Paminsan-minsan, masarap mamasyal sa mga ganitong place. Ayan. Oh, malapit na. Ayan. Malapit na, guys.
3 hours later.
Ayan. Ito na kami. kami. So we're here.
Sharp right towards State Highway 2, then turn right.
Dito na kami, guys. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Tingnan natin yung ibon. So, dito na kami sa Pukaha, Ron? Pukaha. Yeah, it's written Pukaha. Ayan, Pukaha. Pukaha. Oh, there's so beautiful collections. Mga collections. Hawaii. So, meron. Manong kahani.
Ordinary. I'm sure she's not ordinary. Whereabouts are you from?
Harveston North. And
Ah, this is the...
Okay.
So this is the kiwi. This is the restaurant. They have restaurant here. Meron silang restaurant dito, guys. May kain kami. Kung kakain kami. Mahal ata dito. Long time ago.
Yeah, where did she go?
So, this is the map, guys. Ayan ang map.
Have a
Ayan.
look out there. I'll just go to the toilet.
Okay.
Right?
Magto-toilet muna sila, guys. Magto-toilet muna sila. Ako, hindi na magstay ako dito. Ayan, dito. Vlog.
A few moments later.
So, dito ang entrance, guys. Ayan. Wow. Wow, that's nice. Meet the kaka. Go.
Is there
New Zealand bush daw, sabi ng darling ko. Wow, God of the forest. Oh. Wow.
Really threatened extinct. Not many, can't see them.
Pukaha?
Kokako. Oh, there's a lookout.
Yeah, that takes 1 hour. 1 hour.
Oh,
And turn left is Kiwi.
Here, is that?
turn left is Kiwi.
No. Please look. Maybe and
Have a look down here. Here.
Tuatara and Kiwi.
maybe.
Tuatara, look.
So that is Tuatara.
Tuatara.
Oh, so cute.
Tuatara.
So cute, Tuatara. So, ayan yung mga, yan ata yung mga food for kaka and food for kiwi. Ah, that's their food. Ah, okay. Please be silent.
This is where she said.
The theater. There's a theater. So we go here. Ayun. Ay, gotcha.
Look, close. It's close. Here it is, it just gone. Good. You've seen the kiwi. Here it comes again, look. Here it is.
And she'll feed them. And the incubation period for a kiwi is really long.
So
you
this
leave
is
a
the
chicken about
kiwi
21 days.
egg.
Kiwi
Quite
in
big.
75 days.
This is a kiwi
They're in decline,
feather.
which is
Oh.
really unfortunate. Slow decline, but they are in decline. So obviously you want to turn that around.
Dilim. Ah, maybe the kiwi is here also. Yeah.
Oh, kiwi place?
Yes. Find the kiwi.
Rose.
Yeah.
Hey,
Happy?
you're lucky.
Happy! Thank you!
The good eye, the kiwi.
Sometimes you come here and never see a kiwi.
Oh,
Sometimes.
we are so lucky.
Yeah, because they're hiding.
Oh, what's it?
Oh, that's the egg.
All the different birds' names.
Chicken kiwi.
Pukeka, weka,
Oh,
shuruplu,
many
kiwi,
kiwis.
chicken,
no,
kiwi.
many
Kiwi.
eggs.
See the kiwi egg.
Oh.
Naulan na guys. Bigla umulan.
We gotta go back.
Where are we going? What is that?
We'll go to the aviary and come back.
Is that a crab?
What's that?
What's that? So huge.
Wow. I think this.
Just go down. We'll go to the aviary.
Let's see here. What's that? Why? The giant weta. The
Weta?
giant weta.
Weta.
Oh. The giant weta. Okay.
Enjoy walking in the forest.
Yeah. We'll go to aviary walk.
Places like this. Look. So there's a trap. They set traps.
Trap?
For rats. Look, traps. They set them.
Ah, yeah, the trap for the rats.
Set traps.
Oh, yeah, trap for the rats.
For rats.
For rats. A trap. Look, this is tawa tree. Look at the tree. Look at this tree. So amazing, eh? Tawa tree. Okay, walking. Good exercise. Where are the parrots? The parrots are there. Ayan ang parrot. So, dito na kami. Walking aviary. We will go inside, Ron.
Oh, there's nothing over it, Joe. No, not here.
Yeah.
This morning.
These redwoods, look at those trees.
Oh,
It's color red.
Oh, red.
See, it's color red. The trees are color red. I told you when we were in the car,
Yeah.
we passed by and we saw redwoods. Amazing, guy. So amazing. So we're here na. Look at that. Tawhiri, God of winds and storm. This is God of winds and storm. So entry. Ingay ko pa naman. Naku, hindi ako pwede dito maingay.
Where's the bird?
So, mga ibon. Asan kayo, mga ibon? Wala kaming makitang ibon. You cannot find a bird. Oh. Wow, there must be a duck here, Ron.
Oh. Nice color.
Where's the gecko?
Here. Nice color.
Ah, yeah. Ah. Small.
Yeah.
So, it's tiny. So, dito na kami sa eels. Eels. Where? Where?
They're huge.
Where?
Yeah.
I cannot see it.
Yeah. Big one.
Wow! That's huge. Wow, look at that. Big. And this lot size. Wow. There's lots there. There's lots of eels.
Look at them.
Swim on this day.
Look, big bunch.
Yes.
There.
Yeah, I can see it.
So many.
Oh, there's a whole lot there.
Yeah, there's a whole lot there.
They don't swim on this day.
Because they're fat. Look, this is wild pigeon.
Wild pigeon.
Yeah. Wild pigeon.
Oh, there are many birds on the tree.
Yep.
Oh, little bird.
So amazing view right here. So beautiful. Minori. So beautiful. So we have to say goodbye now to my vlog.
Goodbye.
So up to here, guys. We're going back to the place where we start, of course. Sa entrance. Kaya exit na kami. Thank you for watching, guys. So this is the place where you will see Kiwi, bird of New Zealand. The famous kiwi of kiwis. And you can find it here in Pahiatua. Meron pang sa ibang lugar, sa Auckland, Wellington, makikita nyo sila. Pero dito kami kasi malapit sa Pahiatua. Yeah. So, thank you for watching. Keep safe, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.